My mom dropped me off. A bunch of people in red shirts just started banging on my window, yanked me out of my car, and then said, "Hey, welcome."
Each summer, over 300 high school students arrive on the campus of LSU. They're here for the Louisiana Youth Seminar. It's a week dedicated to teaching leadership skills to some of the brightest young adults across Louisiana and beyond.
When I first came to LIS, I was so nervous. Now I kind of feel a little different. I got to know my group. We're bonded really well, and I have fun.
The theme of LYS is No Man is an Island. All of the activities focus on this concept. Students learn through group sessions, and guest speakers share experiences. The energy is high, and the learning curve steep.
There's a involvement exercise where you just have to talk to somebody from a different group, and I immediately felt a connection with a complete stranger.
I feel as if I'm fearless of talking in front of people. I'm more confident.
It doesn't make leaders, it gives you the skills to become a great leader.
LYS nurtures students with leadership potential by helping them believe in themselves and their own talents. A diverse range of students are able to attend LYS thanks to support from individuals and businesses. Shell is committed to developing young leaders and has been a cornerstone of LYS for more than 40 years.
I just want to say LYS is one of the greatest programs ever, and I'm so glad you sponsored me. One thing I would definitely take back to my school is just that, the love and kindness and the positive energy they bring here.
What I learned at LYS is persistence, that leaders, no matter how different you are, you always need to learn how to work with people and keep going towards your goal no matter how many times you fail.
Sometimes we got to learn from failure. Sometimes we get to learn from a really neat environment like you've been in. And I'm sure there was some failure in this, right? Yeah. All right, I thought so. What that'll help you do is grow in life, but also open up some leadership opportunities for you as well. Incredible.
For the 48 years that LYS has existed, the theme has been no man is an island, no man stands alone. If each person helps one another, then as a team, we can make the world a better place.